Hello and welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. I am Muskan and today we have a special guest Omkar who cleared Cognizant Genc role recently. So Omkar, please introduce yourself before we just start
Mm,
this.
Hello, Muskan.
Hi.
My name is Omkar. I'm from Pune, Maharashtra. I have done my bachelor's in computer engineering from one of the college of Pune, or that is Ajinkya D.Y. Patil School of Engineering. After that, I got placed in Cognizant in 2025 April month. Yeah, that's
Okay. So you are a fresher, right?
yes.
So you completed your 4 year of degree recently.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so what is your salary package? And when did you give your interview last?
So Muskan, I give my interview in May 13, 2025, and my current CTC is 4 LPA. That is the basic role for Gen Z.
So when is your joining date?
My joining date was 17 November 2025.
Okay,
Like
so
recently, I got joined.
okay, it was a long process.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you just tell us about the rounds? Like how many rounds were there? What are those rounds and about them in detail?
Okay. So basically, there was four major rounds. One is assessment, then second is communication round, third one is your technical, and fourth one will be your interview round. That will be based on how your technical and assessment has gone. So in first assessment round, you will have some quantitative questions, logical questions, and then game-based questions. There will be in quantitative, I think there was 30 questions for 30 minutes, which is like different questions based on profit and loss, then based on the relations, like family relations and that. And in game-based question, there will be a 4 or 5 question each of 9 minutes that you have to go as much as higher in the game level wise. And after that, there was a communication round. In communication round, there was a AI model which analyze your communication. Um, it will be ask you some questions based on the stories that you will hear and the your speaking skills, like how will you communicate to uh, the AI model itself. And then after there will be a technical round, which you will have question based on SQL, Java, and web question that will be on JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. And after these three rounds, will they will analyze through these three rounds, and you will get your interview mail in 15 to 20 days. So,
So in your technical round, you chose your cluster according or the language according to you only, right? Then only
yes,
you got question.
my cluster was Java cluster.
Okay, okay. So any direct question you remember or any topic you remember directly or anything important you want to tell from that?
Yeah, like in technical assessment, you should be like on the point. Like there will be question, like it will be from medium to hard, but you can easily solve it if you practice well. The question will be mostly on arrays and strings only, because for Gen C Pro, and Gen C next role also, there will be same questions, and if you solve them properly, there will be no like hardness if you properly analyze each question. In my
So
question,
yes, yes.
I would say the level was medium, but if anyone is not going through practice every day, that will be hard for them also.
Okay. So according to you, how many questions you cleared in every round?
I cleared all the questions, like for both of Java questions, one SQL question and one web-based question. Uh, my all test case of Java questions was run.
And in aptitude and other round and in aptitude and communication.
Communication was easy. You can't. be properly good in communication because there will be storytelling and you have to remember line to line stories. So there will be a fumble happen. So you shouldn't be care about it so much. Just focus on assessment mainly and technical.
Okay. So how did you prepare for this? Like you said, you cleared everything. That is really
Yeah.
great. So how did you prepare?
For like assessment, I used to follow Pratik sir, which is on your YouTube channel, which is online study for you. I
Okay.
was totally dependent on quantitative, logical from Pratik sir also itself. And then after I knew that I am lacking somewhere, so I took the courses of online study for you as well for more practice, so I can crack any kind of assessment.
Okay, that's really great. So, like, when did you get to know about this hiring? Like, any story you want to share?
Yeah, actually, what happened in starting of my fourth year, I was really confident that I would get placement itself. But there was some chances I went to the interviews twice, thrice, but didn't make it. And then after that, I heard about Cognizant is hiring of campus through the Instagram channel of Online Study for You, and then applied through it in Superset, and then finally got a chance.
So, you use the resources really well.
Yeah, you have to properly be on the point for each assessment and you have to practice well. That's the key only.
Yes, yes. So, yeah, let's come to your interview round. So, what were the
Okay.
questions asked, or were there any more rounds in the interview round also? Like, I have heard of managerial round, then the other round, HR round. So, was there anything like this?
Um, in at my time, my interviews are held on 13th of May. There will be no special round for HR. My interview was combined, like technical and HR. So it
Oh,
will be probably around 57 minutes. It was huge. And interview started with my projects. Then you have to properly explain your project, like each and every single role, that what kind of contribution you made, what kind of challenges you faced, what was your role, how you overcome the challenges. This kind of question he will ask, and he will give you some real life scenario. Like he gave me one scenario that was HR type question. Like he told me if there will be a situation if uh, you have to deliver a project on same day and one of your family member has got an emergency for medical emergency. So what will you do? So I told them if first will I prioritize my family and then after I will go to the office for project delivery, or else I will try to convince one of my colleague to help to like deploy the project and deliver it, and I will take care of my family. So this kind of real life scenario will be there in your
that was
interview.
really great answer. I
Yeah.
also didn't expect this, but that was great. Anything else they asked you, you remember exactly?
Yeah. Yeah. And in interview, there was two coding questions was asked to me. One of
Okay.
based on my cluster only. The interviewer told me that uh, give me any real life scenario based on Java interfaces. So he told me to implement like Java interface program. So I have implemented it, and then after he asked me to solve a question like 5.5. The question was you have to separate 5.5 like integer is 5.0, sorry, integer is 5 and the floating point like zero point 0.5. You have to separate them and print them. So I done that question also. It was not that hard, but if you can't practice it, you will be stuck in that question also.
Yes, yes. Okay, so any tips for the students you want to say share?
Yeah, tips is only you shouldn't be uh, stop anywhere you're learning until you get placed. You have to continue your practice in assessment, quantitative aptitude, and your programming also. Just keep going on until you got placed, and don't rely on anyone. Just be confident in interview and be real. That is the
Okay.
tip only.
Really great. So, Onkar, at last I want to ask you, like, how was your joining experience? You might know everything about that.
Yeah. So Muskan, basically what happened, joining process maybe it takes some time, but when you join to the organization, you will be totally dependent on what they are like asking to from you. Like the domain will be totally dependent on them. They will be just like randomly throw domains to anyone. Like I wanted to get other domain, but I got ended up getting a different domain. So you shouldn't be like, if I didn't got this domain, so I will not work or not continue. There will be scenario happen that you will get different domains, but going through the process, you can get your preferred domain as well. Like if 6 months, 1 year back, next also, because there will be multiple projects running in your organization. So yeah, this.
Okay, like, so you have your preferred domain or you don't have your preferred domain right now?
No, like my preferred domain was something else, but I'm happy with my domain because it is also a trending technology in the market. Actually, my preferred domain was like Java full stack, but I got SAP role, like SAP app role, that is like ERP system making.
Okay, okay.
So
Got it.
I'm happy with it. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice. So, at last, I just want to say, like, from the starting to ending, just tell the
Yes.
process, like, how long was that? Just crisp answer.
Okay. Um, like my interview before the assessment held on 23rd of April, then 25 on technical, then 13th May was my uh, interview. After that, I got LOI, that is the letter of intent, on 13th of May. I didn't expect that faster because
Yes, it
it
takes
was
a lot
one day
of
before
time.
my yeah, and it was one day before my final examination. So it was very great. And after that, they took like 2 months for the offer letter. I got offer letter on 5th of the October. It was a large time. And after that also, the joining date is 17th of September because of some conflicts happen in the overall world. That will be happen
Yes,
sometime
yes, yes.
in the hiring process. Yeah,
Yeah. So that was really great information. I have no questions
yeah,
left. Thank you so much for your time,
yeah.
Onkar. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.